This is how people are serious about saving weight. There is literally no seat cowl over here, or maybe an adaptation of a seat cowl. I mean, this is how serious people are. No front fairing at all. Light saving at its best. Some people just lining up, getting ready to do what they need to do. So good stuff happening over here. So on top of that, wonderful Kenyan versus Ugandan plates as well. Some are going key for key. Some are definitely going the way for MotoGP. So good preparation. We have over here Acid Boy, the one and only Cherio. We have the one and only Blade Dog. Aliacha mse jana bana.
Mzee, mimi nimefanya one round. Nimekuja sasa press.
All right, man. All the best, eh?
Yes, man.
So a lot of things happening. So that's my PJ over there. Excuse me. PJ over there. Trying to see whether we can be able to offset. Good scenes over here. Ducatis, several bikes over here as well. Ducatis, the one and only Oyaya present. No, mse anafanya ati kanyage. What is this? What are those? Hey, Levi over here. Hey, nice. Bikes over here, they're quite a lot. So you see the things that are actually going on over here. So come this side. Come. Hiya. There we have the Ugandan over here. He's one of the Kenyans. So this is Kolo. I'll never get the name for the Ugandan once I do this.
Punisher on that side.
Punisher on the other side. As Altam is alerting me over here. So let's see. So it's only lights out. Everyone is ready. Let's see. It's a wonderful launch. All about the ZX10R and an S1K HP Pro version. Let's go!
Wait! Rudy, wait! Rudini!
As you can see here, this here is the one and only Bassam. So the challenge of Bassam is he has an injured foot, but yet again he's doing more of the bike. So Bassam, are you racing while having a bad foot? Which bad foot, bro? I have bigger balls, it's okay. That's the way it goes, Bana. So as you see, more confidence, less talk. Let's see how it now goes out. Cheerio, cheerio, cheerio. Alright. Right now we have Aminzo over here. Aminzo, are you ready for today? You're going against Basam. Obviously, 1,000 against more than 1,000 cc. How do you feel about it?
It's gonna be fun. I'm going against my teammates, so let the best man win.
Alright, cheerio. All clear confidence, no show. Wonderful Ducati over here. Let's see how it's going to go. Cheerio. The guy you see here is a creeping cameraman called Edu. Edu is here as well. You can find them only at such events. We're going to go wide. This is how we're going to start. Ducati against Yamaha. Same teammates. They all race in one team at Whistling Moran. This is Yamaha against Ducati. Basam against Alfa Romeo. Hello. You see one race over here. Do you have any comment for today? We are
trying to figure out the reaction time. It's a bit a challenge, but we shall find a way.
Alright, all the best, my guy. This is now people from Uganda as well. So he's using Hayabusa. These are one of the imports. They say they're going to come to us key for key. Let's see how it's going to go. We're a bit of trouble regarding the lights over there. So just trying to check how everything is going. Cheerio. So again, now a Kenya against a Ugandan, number 49. Just want to see how this one is going to go. Reaction time regarding what is happening. So other racers are still getting ready. Cheerio. Any words for what is going to happen right now?
It's my first time beginning. So I'm just here for the fun and then learn the experience. Then next year come strong.
Cheerio.
Another race. Go ahead with another race.
This is Gogo against Salmad. 2H2s. Kawasaki's as well. So just want to find out who is the father of them all, and there's only one way to find out: them racing against each other. So a wonder and a good spectacle to experience. We are live at ICD Road, Nairobi, Kenya. We have Ugandans and Tanzanians and other East African countries over here represented. So a lot of people have anticipated for this. Track is hot, as we can hear from the announcement. Let's see how it goes. All launch ready. Launch ready. Wonderful. As you can see the lights over there. Those are called power wheelies. Power wheelies only happen when you're maxing out the powers. And as of now, Sarman has been the one now to cross the line. The first one. Gogo at the rear. I think something came up with the computers, but that's the only way to find out about all these electronics in these bikes. That's the way to go. Cheerio. Several Kawasaki's over here. That's our Sarmad now. We completed the first one on the previous race. Right now we have Juliet going with the R1M going against Musa on the Ducati. So as of now, this one contested race, our local guys getting the lights out. So another Ducati against Yamaha race. It's a good race as well. People are looking forward to it because the Ducati against a Yamaha, toe to toe. We have Titan against one of the Ugandans over here, ZX10. Very speedy bike. Ian used to race this bike. A ZX10.
This is our 6. Used to race that one. The 23.
Okay, that's a bit of information. That's Ian of Alkebulan. So let's see how the Kenyan against the Ugandan will go.
Titan! Hey! Hey!
So right now we have Brave Racing Team PJ. I am unfamiliar with that guy, however I'll get to know the name. So PJ obviously getting some slack from Basam. So you know how PJ always rides his bike. So just getting ready now to how that one is going to go about. They are going against the sun. So to know and see how best to make use of the situation. Hi, catch you later. The plot thickens. So right now we have a S1000. Not many of these you can find them around Kenya. So a good street bike over here, obviously from Uganda. Wonderful representation over here. So we have Panisha. Salamu kidogo Ness over there. So just trying to see who's going to go. And we have Panisha as well doing burnouts over here, trying to get ready for what is going to come up next. So a lot in store. Several S1000 over here, but this one, let's see how it's going to perform. Now we go naked again, naked. That's the MT10 against the S1000 Suzuki. A whole lot of noise and a whole lot of catching up to do. And bam, the Suzuki gets it. So Punisher is back together with Nemo, that is Satish with S. My apologies, that's the Honda CBR 1000RR against the ZX10R. So they're just warming up their tires. To know how everything is going on. So let's see how this one is going to come up too. Yeah? Satish, Daktari over there lining up. Punish over here. Kenya against Uganda. Kawasaki against Honda. And we are home. And that's how we go. So we have bikes being jump started the old school way. So the Yamaha M1RR, or is it the fairing? So let's see who's going to go against the other bike. Has a Tamignoni. Anyway, let's see what is going to come up over here. I don't know who's coming up next, but let's see. Yep. And we have Asiba over here getting ready. So we finished this bike yesterday. Getting ready over here. So that one and only Acid Boy, some custom job over there. So this is the bike he actually had done everything on the rear. So let's see how everything is going to go. Wonderful stuff over here. BMW S1000RR Acid Boy edition. Let's see how that one goes. Going up against Hayabusa. So that's 1000cc against 1300 cc's. So seems like an unfair fight, but let's see how it's going to go. That's Acid Boy, Kenya against Uganda, one and only. That's how we do it.
And that's how Kenya represents. Acid Boy cleans it as if it was nothing
Over there. The H2 getting ready. So that's Shaman coming on this other side. So let's see who he's racing against. Up against Kolo. Kolo has the S1000RR. So obviously seems like an unfair fight where the H2 is going to go against the S1000RR. But then again, to know what's what and what's what. ZX14 against ZX14. Let's see how the performance is going to go, even aftershocks. Go! Go, go, go!
Who's who?
Yo, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back. Today is the day. A lot has been going on. So sparking conversation with this spark plug. But you know how best? We just flow through the conversation. Cheerio, cheerio, cheerio.
Hey, acid. Better move. Yeah. Better move. Acid. Acid. I bet Google at a ride out your wheelie. You want to get
Punisher. That's from the Ugandan folk. Want to see how it's going to be done over here right now. So Acid Boy is coming in line. So S1K. ZX10. So ZX10. And we have over there Acid Boy. So just want to see how this one is going to go. This is Kenya versus Uganda. Something to be tied of. An interesting way. See how everything is going to flow from here. What do you want to see? Who are you rooting for? Acid Boy or Punisher? An interesting time of events over here. So best of Kenya, best of UG. And Acid Boy has gone. That one is gone. Acid Boy to the world, my guy. What does Uganda has on us? Nothing. Nothing. That's how we go. That's how we go. That's how we do it, Uganda. That's how we go. Let's go. Wangabi. Wakobi. Wangabi. So that's how we do it here. I need an element of give or key, right? We have none other than Nat. It's going into the Supermoto category. So right now we just want to do the Supermoto category, and then from then on we'll be moving on to the next stage. Yeah, catch up for more. Another Brian, and we have Nico as well. This is regarding the Supermotos. One is going to go the other side, and one on one side. So a bit of planning, then we see how this one is going to go.
Hello.
Start line.
So Kenyan is
Start line quiet. Coming. Confirmation by DIR. It is the biker on the right side that crossed the finish line first. Over. It's director, right side, director, copy what you're being told from the finish line. Track is hot.
Track is hot.
This race that is coming up is manual. This race that is coming up is manual.
Wewe kwanza wewe pesa wewe.
That's the cutest.
Sparking conversation over here.
With my microphone. So hi guys, it's the conclusion of the Drags 2025. I have no idea who won. Not yet. I'm so excited. I have no idea who won, but you will find out. We have covered everything. Watu walifika mapema kurekodi, so you should be happy about this and you should be more excited to come for the next one. So after this we have the races at Whistling. I hope you're ready for that. Jipange mapema, get ready and let's see you there. Anyway, acid boy alionyeshwa dust na H2 hatujawahi hivyo. What? Anyway, it's been a good day. It drizzled. It's grey, but you're not grey. We're jolly. Yeah. Bye bye. Brittany signing out.
DJ is gone. And obviously he's won. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Leo super plug. So kama jana tulikuwa tunatumia sugarcane. However, we are live here. Brittany behind the camera. She'll be in front of the camera in a moment's notice over there. However, this is our background. As you can see, so many racers, some Kenyan, some Ugandan, some from international field. So it's an awesome stage that we are in. So a lot of things that are happening over here. Several vehicles. I can hear vehicles pulling over that side. So that's a BMW is pulling up its turbos. But then again, wonderful stuff. See you later.
Fixing his bike. Ndo atandike watu. In case you didn't know. Oh my God, I'm clowning in public. Look at that! Beep. Okay, so Jeremy's ready.
No, I'm not there.
Okay, so hi guys.
Hi.
So this is Jeremy. Jeremy, say hi.
Hi guys. Hello.
So Jeremy is one of the youngest riders. And in Noma, he's beating the shit out of people. Excuse my cursing. But he actually is. And he's a member of Brave. So tell us, how was the race?
The race was good. I've gone for 3 rounds. I won 2. And one was, I was going against time. So if I beat someone's time, I qualify. So I haven't really checked my time, but so far so good. So yeah.
He means he's confident about his time.
Yeah, I am. I am.
So this is his bike?
No, it's not my bike.
Sorry. His bike is an R6.
Yeah.
A hot R6. Tutawaonyesha baadaye. But yeah, that's Jeremy for you guys. Bye-bye.